Hi, this is David Sommerfleck. I am the Chief WordPress Web Developer and owner of AffordableWebsitesDenver.com, a Denver, Colorado internet marketing, SEO, WordPress training, and website design company. And I wanted to do a brief video for anyone new to WordPress. I think it's really important to have effective online tutorials. So I wanted to do a brief video on just creating links. Just keep it really short and simple this time. So let's create a new page. And here you see what we're doing. So don't pay any attention to this right here. This is from a plugin that I'll show you in a different video. I need to remove this. So we're going to create a new page and we're going to title it here. Okay. Now this is the visual editor, okay, as opposed to the HTML editor, which is for coding and removing coding and adding coding. So if you're not familiar with HTML, you really don't want to mess around with it. This is the visual editor. It's much easier. So what we're going to do is just type in some basic text here. Now, let's say that I want to take this text here. We can take the whole sentence. Let's just take the word developer. We're going to bold it. Okay, we can italicize it. See what it looks like now. Now let's take it and we can, by default, because of this theme, it's set that the text default color is gray. We'll make it black. See if it shows up even more. And of course, we can make it any color we want to this way. Okay. Now we're going to make this word very simply a link. You click here, which is the picture of the link itself. And let's say we want to, well, I could have left that, couldn't I? USA Today. And we can call the title whatever we want. Why okay, some shameless self-promotion, but this will cause it to open in a new window as opposed to opening in the same window where you click on that link. Now if we had a pre-existing page that we wanted to link to, we could just select it from down here, but we're creating an outside link. So we want to click on add link. Now whenever anyone clicks on this link in this specific page, it will take them to where? USA Today. What will they see when they put the cursor over that word? That's what they're going to see. Now let's say I want to change that link. So I'd highlight it. Okay. Let's say I want to get rid of the bold, get rid of the italicize. That looks tacky, man. Now it looks like a regular word, but it's underlined. Okay. So let's get rid of the underline. Well, maybe we can't because it's still a link. There we go. Oh, okay. It's probably still linkified. So let's break the link. And you see what happens. Now it goes back to a regular word. So let's highlight it one more time to make sure everybody understands what we're doing. And we're going to click on the insert link. It's just a picture of a link. This time we'll send it to the New York Times. Okay. Again, we want it to open in a different window. That's my personal preference. If you want it to open in the same window, so they would click on the link in your website and that particular page would change to the New York Times or whatever your link is. Because I want the reader to have more options and I don't want them to leave my page necessarily, this is what I'm choosing now. It's just my personal preference. So now when they put the cursor on there, that's what they see. And if they were to click on that link, it would take them to the New York Times. And that's basically how you create a link. And if you want that link to stand out more in your theme, all you have to do is go back and highlight it and make it bold or italicized or a different color. You could choose this option here and make it an unordered list. Let's see what happens there. Okay, now we put it here, maybe no, but sometimes I've seen websites too where you can do it like this, and then you can do it like this, and it'll draw even more attention to the link. But we don't really need to do that. If you want to link in a sentence, that should be helpful. Now, whether or not it's underlined as a link, some of this may depend on your particular theme, whether or not links are underlined, and that has to do with who creates the theme and what specifications are in that theme. Okay, and I hope that helped you with learning how to make a link, whether it's inside of your website to another page or to an outside page or website. That's how you do it. And you would do the exact same procedures in a blog post because it's exactly the same. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget your friends over at affordablewebsitesdenver.com. And I hope everyone has a great day. Take care.